Welcome to Theodore Payne Foundation's 42nd year of the Wildflower Hotline. I'm Tom Henschel. The hotline offers weekly updates on the best locations for viewing spring wildflowers in Southern and Central California. All locations are on easily accessible public lands and range from urban to wild, distant to right here in L.A. The annual open house events at Prisk Native Garden are scheduled for the next 2 Sundays, April 6th and 13th, from 1 to 4 p.m. We hope you'll attend one or both of the Sunday dates. Visitors will learn about the 30-year-old garden on a school campus in Long Beach that has a mission to engage children in nature's joyful and restorative experiences. Seemingly overnight, thanks to mild, warm temperatures following the mid-March rain, there are colorful blossoms everywhere, with more coming each week. In addition to the ubiquitous California poppies, Arroyo lupine, and tidy tips, there are lovely patches of five-spot, mounds of baby blue eyes, Mojave bluebells, and various fragrant sages. Dorr's sage, for example, brings home the wild aroma of the high desert in spring bloom. Many members of the cactus family are beginning to pop in the desert wash section. The claret cup cactus and Engelmann's hedgehog are beaming with blossoms. Look for meadow foam in the shadier, moister areas. Shrubs in all the garden habitats have been flowering profusely, including island bush poppy, showing off their large yellow flowers set upon elegant gray-green foliage, or hot pink flowers of fairy duster beaconing passing hummingbirds. This is just a tiny taste of the garden's color palette. Next week, Sunday, April 13th, these bountiful blooms and hopefully many more will be available for viewing during the second open house event. A great place to enjoy a recreational spring fling is Pinnacles National Park. Signs of spring are everywhere. The geography of the park provides raptors with ideal nesting sites, both on the inaccessible cliffs, craggy rock formations, and on the oaks and pines along the riparian corridors. Although some of the trails are closed during peak nesting season, check the park's website, you may spot prairie falcons, golden eagles, red-tailed hawks, and American kestrels, to name just a few. Entering the park at the eastern portal, you can't help but notice the large perennial silver bush lupines peppering the landscape. Depending on the trail you choose, and there are many, early spring flowers can be seen throughout the park. The blue-purple blue witch is common in the chaparral. Look there, too, for Freeman's star lily growing among the grasses and under chaparral shrubs. The deep shade cast by oaks and other riparian trees give refuge to the shade-loving California saxifrage, purple pagoda, small flower woodland star, and fiesta flower. All of them like to hang out in shady areas with the sunlight filtering through tree canopies. Find them along the bench trail or occupying meadows like those along the rim trail. Also preferring grassy open areas, but in sunnier locations, are baby blue eyes and cream cups. It's impossible to choose the cutest flower in California, but cream cups, seen along the North Wilderness Trail, would be a contender. Each creamy petal grades to a buttery yellow at the center, where you find a pom-pom of filaments and stamens. That's it for this week. Visit the Wildflower Hotline website to see photos of these and more wildflower sites. Theodore Payne Foundation's annual Native Plant Garden Tour is this weekend, April 5th and 6th. Tickets are on sale now. Check the Theodore Payne website for details, theodorepayne.org. The next Wildflower Hotline report will be available Friday, April 11th.